Okay, so welcome back down the garage for the next video in the E46 build project video diary. I'm back down today to go through the assortment of parts anyway that's turned up for the car. It's its first visit into the workshop next week, or official visit into an official workshop next week. It's going to be down at Bull Motor Works for installation of everything I'm about to show you. So I'm a little bit nervous in the sense that I hope everything that's turned up is as it should be. I'm confident in the car. Greg and I know that it's a well-kept car. But yeah, you know what it's like when you order stuff online. We just hope that everything's turned up in the right box with the right parts. So anyway, without further ado, I'll flip the camera around and we'll take a look at what we've got. Okay, so here is the nice little selection of goodies we've got to go on the car. They've been arriving in the post over the last few weeks. Really excited to get these on. I think that's going to transform the car. Mainly, obviously, the Powerflex kit should really tighten the car up. So I'm excited to give the car a spin after that. But nevertheless, we'll go through everything that we've got because it's all relevant. So the first thing, I'll start with the big red box, is the OEM discs, spare set of discs that I bought. I bought those, to be honest, just as a just in case. We didn't know what the brakes were going to be like, but actually they're fine. So we'll wait until we need to put those on, so they'll just stay tucked away nice and dry. That is the steering damper replacement. So Rich was saying there is a like a rubber damper that attaches to the steering rod or something, don't ask me. But anyway, that's going to replace it, and it'll reduce that sloppy feedback you get from the steering, the delay in the steering. So that'll be good. Subframe reinforcement kit, an E46 must, especially if it's intended for the sort of use and abuse that we're going to put it through. That was purchased off Race Door Cards. That was about £75 actually. And the Powerflex bush kit, that was £770. So probably our biggest purchase to date so far, but certainly not the biggest one we'll encounter. And I'll run through what you get in the kit there. So you get, this one is front wishbone, rear bush. You get a pair of those. You get in the kit also rear shock top mount kit, set of those. You get rear subframe rear bush set. In the big boy is the rear subframe front bush set in there. And in this one, oh, hang on, labels backwards. Here it is. You get the rear trailing arm front bush. It is a Black Series bush. You get also rear diff front bush, rear diff rear mounting bush. Oopsie daisy, there goes the blanking plate. And you get the front anti-roll bar bush as well. And then this little boy, sorry, this little gem here, anti-roll bar mounted bush kit. Lovely. We've also got the spare set of tyres there, the second set of tyres, sorry, for the wets, the Michelin PS4s. They were circa £400 and I had them fitted at work. And they're on the second set of wheels that Greg managed to pick us up, a twin set to match the ones that we've got on. And then we purchased this, the rear axle carrier off a chap that powder coats underbody parts for BMWs. Picked it up off Facebook Marketplace. I can't remember the cost of it, so don't quote me, but I think it's about 150 quid it was, supplied and painted. And we thought that'd be a nice thing to do, seeing as we're replacing all the bushes on the back end and the old one's got to come out anyway. So looking forward to having that on. But that for now is it. There's some more parts. Oh, there goes the camera again. There's some more parts in the bag that we got. Here I am. That we've got on order. So I guess we'll do another update when those arrive. But for now, crikey, this thing. That's about it. And we'll do the next video in due course, hopefully sooner rather than later. See you then.